Performance anxiety can hit us like a snowstorm. It can feel so overwhelming and so difficult in the moment. But like with any snowstorm or snow, it will eventually settle down. So I'm inviting you to use this metaphor to think about your anxiety as something that comes and goes, something that we don't need to hugely do anything about. I mean, we can use certain techniques to help us calm it down, but actually one of the best strategies for me to use is to accept. Simply accept. I'm feeling anxious. It's okay. I've been anxious before. I know it will pass. And I know I don't have to do anything. Maybe I can go for a walk in a snowy, beautiful landscape like where I am right now. But I just know that even though now it's snowy and dark and cold for me, tomorrow it might be sunny. So performance anxiety can be thought of as just stormy weather, the type of weather that will pass, and we will be okay again. Let me know what's your favorite metaphor for performance anxiety.